How to stream Netflix on Discord without black screen. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how you can stream or share your screen on Discord from Netflix without getting any black screen. So this is very simple. All you have to do first is to open your Discord and make sure that you're logged in. Now from here, you're going to need to create a channel where your Netflix movie will be streamed. So for example, this one right here. Now you do not need to tweak around the settings like turning off video compressions and all. What you want to have to do here is just to pull up or have your Netflix web browser version prepared, right? So now, black screen will only appear if you're using the Netflix application or software. So our method here is to stream Netflix from their official website. So once you've successfully logged in, go back into your Discord, have your movie prepared from Netflix, and then tap this option here that says share your screen. Now share the entire screen, but from the browser version. And that's it. That's how you stream Netflix movies from Discord without black screen.